I am making a pretty small batch today, so you can adjust the quantity of the ingredients as per your preference. This is 1 cup of icing sugar which I have sifted, 1/4 cup of white unsalted butter. You can also use normal salted butter if you wish. Cream about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons or so. This is low fat cream. You can also use whipping cream if you wish. And vanilla about 1/4 teaspoon. So let us start making it. Into a mixing bowl, I'm going to add in my butter. It is recommended to use a stand mixer or a hand mixer like this. So try to use a hand mixer if possible. I'm going to beat my butter really well. Make sure your butter is at room temperature and is extremely soft. Now I'm going to add in half of my icing sugar to this. You can also use normal powdered sugar, just ensure there are no lumps and make sure it's very fine. I'm going to beat this really well. In comes my second addition. Try to mix it lightly before starting the mixer to avoid the icing sugar all over your place flying around. So I'm going to start the mixer now. In comes my third and last addition. Now I'm going to mix this for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add in my cream, just about half a tablespoon at the first. If I feel I need more cream, I'm going to add more. Just with half a tablespoon of cream, this is going really runny, so I don't want to add any more cream to this. It actually depends upon the humidity and the weather. So sometimes you may need about 1.5 tablespoons, sometimes 1 and sometimes even half. So make sure to clean the edges time to time. I'm going to add my vanilla, totally optional. I don't like vanilla, so a little bit of it. Now I'm going to beat this for about 4 to 5 minutes so that our buttercream is fluffy and really nice. So our buttercream is ready and this looks really delicious. I have piped my buttercream over this cupcake.